It is Monday, December 5th, 2022. We are staying at the Pop Century Resort at Disney World. And we had done a walking tour video of the hotel itself the last time we stayed here, but we didn't have time on that trip for a room tour video, so that's what we're going to do now. All of our stuff is here. We've been here a day or two now, but wanted to at least show you the room. So when you first come in, you've got the window and the little coffee nook, ice bucket, cups, little fridge, and your TV over here with your dresser, these three drawers to hold your clothes or whatever. And then there's this little cubby with the safe and some additional shelves. And then over here we have the little hangers, coat hangers for things. We always bring a luggage scale on longer trips when we have larger suitcases to make sure that we're not going to be overweight when we get to the airport, because nobody wants to be repacking in the middle of the airport, so that's something we always bring along with us. And then actually there is a sliding door between the bedroom slash living room space and the bathroom space. So we come in through here, and here's the little closet and cubby area. We have an ironing board, hair dryer and an iron. More cubbies. More cubbies. Good amount of counter space. And then this upper shelf, which is one of my favorite features of this whole room, because it just gives you so much more space for all of your things while you're getting ready. So that's very nice. And you'll see there's lights around the mirror. And then you also have a lighted makeup mirror here. And then in here you also have a sliding door with a full-length mirror. So that's always useful when getting ready. And then here you have the toilet and the shower. As of right now, they are still providing the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I hear that's going away soon. I don't know what they're replacing it with, or heck, if they even are gonna provide anything in the future. But for now, they are providing those toiletries for you. Proper bathtub and shower. And a sliding glass door. And then back out into the bedroom. Here is the bed. Yeah, not a whole lot of theming in terms of the Pop Century Resort. The Pop Century Resort is themed according to decades from the 50s through the 90s of the last century. The room itself is not super themed, but you get this lighted Mickey headboard. And then this will actually fold down to a bed, which we never use for just the two of us, but we definitely use the table and chairs for all of our stuff and merch. You have one of these little nightstand table things on both sides of the bed. So you have all of your plugs, 2 standard, 2 USB, little table, little cubby, and also storage space under the bed, which is usually where our larger suitcases and the extra pillows will wind up, because they give you, maybe 6 pillows, and we each only ever use one, so I stuff the extra one someplace. But yeah, a couple of chairs, and the table when you're not using it as a bed, and then you have this little cubby and shelf over here as well. Also having 2 standard and 2 USB plugs. This is probably, you know, meant to be the nightstand for if anybody is using this as a bed. And then we're back to where we came in. So yeah, this is the standard room at the Pop Century. Most of the rooms are going to be like this. I have heard rumors that there are rooms that come with the king bed. Every time we come here I ask for one, and I have never actually seen one, so I'm not convinced they actually exist. But it is a comfortable, serviceable room. And yeah, we like staying here. Just wanted to do a little bit better job of showing the outlets that are available in the room. So when you first come in, you have this coffee bar area, and you have 2 regular outlets here. Then down here by the trash can, you have 2 more regular outlets. Up here on the dresser, you have 2 regular outlets and 2 USB plugs. And then on the other side of the dresser, you also have 2 regular outlets and 2 USB plugs. Down here next to the bathroom, you have 2 regular outlets. And then each of the 3 little nightstand cubbies have the 2 regular outlets and 2 USB plugs. And then here in the bathroom, you have your 2 regular outlets. So quite a lot of plug space in this room. So, my parents are actually joining us on this trip. I don't know how much we're going to film or how much we're going to share on YouTube, but really looking forward to them being here and all being together. We haven't actually seen them since the pandemic, so really looking forward to that. They're coming in today, later on this afternoon. So thank you for joining us on this room tour at Pop Century, and we will see you in our next video.
Guess they're getting the POV shot. Yeah. It might just be the two of them on that bus. Hello? How's it going? How was your flight? Good.